horse.
No, leave her and see if she takes it too. She might just need a little breather.
There, she's on knees.
No.
Eh? Hey, tu poses. Oh, she needs a breather at the moment. She's gone through a bit of water.
What's her name?
Hey, tu viens, tu donnes la babale, ma petite chienne.
The little girl and the big one's boy.
Where's his ball? Ah, that's Falcon. There's his ball. No, we don't ride animals. That's what they were for. There's a ball. There you are, Patsy.
He come running over to me before when I was walking over.
I've never met a horse that said put a saddle on me.
Exactly, I agree. I totally agree.
It's a very ridiculous
I totally
situation, isn't it?
What's that one's name?
That one's Falcon. That's Falcon, yes. Oh, look at those motorbikes. They're pretty impressive. Suddenly I didn't see them coming. They're
beautiful
impressive.
that sight.
It is, isn't it? It is the most spectacular beach in the whole of North Wales. Ah, Patsy! She's ready.
Patsy!
Faya, tu viens? Ma petite chienne. Oh, she's been doing it all day.
I think she's tired, Patsy.
That's that one's name.
Faya, give me this sticker. I'll just pick it up for you and see if she wants to. Do you want to do it? Tu veux faire la balle? Tu veux la balle, Faya? No? No, she's... Oh, well. Unfortunately, Patsy, she's had it. We've got the film at the wrong time.
All dogs go good dog lovers.
He is lovely. He comes over to me before when I was walking across.
He's a darling. He loves people.
He's lovely,
He loves people, that one.
I like the big ones.
He is lovely, isn't he? Oh, what? Hello. He's coming over to see what we've got.
Oh, la. Actually, she'll probably come over in a minute. She's just had a drink of water.
How much dog food did he eat a day?
£2 a day they cost.
How much food do you eat a day?
Like 7,000.
They cost £3 a day.
You cost a lot more.
It's cheaper to have a dog.
Very true.
Hey, can we have a dog instead of Patsy?
We've got a dog.
I want
We've got to go home and pick him up.
I don't want it, I want it.
He's lovely, isn't he?
There's another one making
Look at him in the water, Pat. Watch him.
Oh, she's cooling off. She's okay.
She's cooling down.
She's just cooling, yeah. She's been cooling her pants. It's funny they want to drink the rainwater or something rather than her own water.
Mom, get that.
Oh, la. Qu'est-ce que tu fais, ma petite chienne? Eh? T'as chaud? Qu'est-ce que c'est, ma féfé? Eh? Va dans la voiture. Qui tu vas dans la voiture? C'est pas bon, ça. Faya, je te donne. Je te donne. Attends, je te donne. Là, féfé. Ma petite chienne. Faya. Faya, où t'es allée? Où elle est partie? Ah, Faya, voilà. Eh bien. Tu veux voir, t'as soif? Pause. Pause, Faya. Allez. Right, you've worn yourself out. Pause ça. Ça va pas. Right. Right, come on here. Right, you know what, she's been a nuisance. Here, Patsy, get the ball thrower. Out under my arm. You see that? Pull that out. Right, hold on. I get this video eventually of you. Right, don't drop it. Hold on. Oh, throw it. Oh, God. You're the horrible animal. Grab, hold on. There, pick it. It's okay. You can pick it up. Pick that up. There's the Safia. Arrête. Recule. Go on. She wants you to throw it. Hey! We're getting it. That was so funny. That's it. Get it in the ball. Oh, he can do it better than... Yeah. Hey, Patsy's turn next now.
Yeah, let Patsy have a go.
Donne-moi la balle, Fia. Viens là. Donne la petite fille. Donne la petite fille. No. Do, yes.
Talking Welsh now,
Fia, pause. Pause. That's it. Go on.
Pause.
Pause. Put it down. Oh, there. Ha ha ha. C'est bien, c'est bien. C'est bien.
Taking it back to Mason, not back to
Yeah. Well, he's in front.
Oh yeah, it's only the motorbike.
You did well, Patsy.
Let Patsy have a go.
Motorbike's getting off.
That's incredible motorbikes, eh?
Look at the bike, mate.
Good on you.
C'est bien. Ici, Fia. Ici.
Patsy, leave her.
Let him. Fia, pause.
She doesn't want Patsy.
Non, pause, pause. Non, j'ai dit non. Pause ça. Pause ça. J'ai dit arrête, recule. Recule, Fia. She's impatient, but wait, she'll have to wait. That's it. Go on, wait. Oh, it's gone right under his bottom. Oh,
I'm trying to video here, you know, and
Oh, it's Pippa finger.
that's funny.
It's Pippa finger.
You can go for it. Oh, he's picked it
can
up.
I still video as I'm speaking to someone? Hang on. Hello.
Okay. Try
How are you?
to
I'm
multitasking.
videoing on Talacre.
That's all right. You don't have to worry about him. It's difficult, those heavy balls, aren't they? They're not easy. Falcon, la baballe, la petite fille. La, Falcon, ici.
Hello?
You brainless creature. La petite fille, regarde, la baballe.
Apparently, swap bands or something.
Call him, Falcon. Falcon, Falcon. Voilà, he's watching. Go on. Falcon, la petite fille. La balle. Eesh, prat of a dog. Here, la petite fille, là. Voilà. Allez, c'est bon, c'est bon. There we go. You brainless creature. Oh, she's cooling down, yes. She's been running around a lot. Yes, don't worry, you won't get your hands, no.
That dog bit me on the finger.
Well, she does.
No, it wasn't a bite.
No, it isn't a bite, no. She's just trying to
no.
get... Whoops.
I'll get it.
She doesn't bite, no.
This is named
Pause, Falcon. Falcon.
What Falcon?
Pause, that's his name. Pause, that's it. He's letting you take it, go on. Pause, that's it. Ali. Voila. Whoa, she caught it in midair. That was excellent.
Nice
That's after a full day of running around. That dog has still got hyper energy.
No, Wayne's got it and he goes just to the swap of
There you go. Pause, la fille. Pause, ça. All right, she's putting it at my feet now.
Yeah, because...
Right, c'est bien. Pause, ça. Oh, she wants... leave her alone. Oh, my God. You don't tell they're not here. Well, you better stop playing ball, because if we're going to smash the car windows at this rate... It's not funny. Oh, shut up, Noel. Oh, dear. I've got myself on video saying we're going to be breaking car windows. Ho, ho, ho. Whoops. This will be on video. It's a bit of a long one because by the time the dog got moving, yeah. But anyway, we got it.
Oh, brilliant.
I'll give you the name so that you know where to put it.
Yeah.
Here we go.
He didn't answer, so just...
Oh yeah, it went on for a quarter of an hour, this did.